just using the knowledge they are getting. Apart from that, there is also a difference between the number of students per class, which sometimes is difficult to handle, especially when you try to teach a language. But at the same time, that's compensated with a good predisposition and behavior of of the students. So you can split the class in different groups, and at the same time, all of them are gonna work. That's nice. Also, the evaluation system, it differs about the numbers. And I mean, I always try to take it and to do it in terms of percentages everywhere. But then you need to translate it into the class record with different aspects, and you need it to be very specific. At the very beginning, it's a bit difficult to understand the system, but after 1, 2 terms, you can do it perfectly. I must say that the online platforms are wonderful. They work very well. And I mean, everywhere, but I would say here in the Philippines even a bit more, students and everybody are very used to new technologies and social networks. I try to take advantage of that. I mean, my social networks are open. The students can see that. They can see some of the contents in Spanish language, some extra material if they're interested. Like recently, there was an interview with Kobe Bryant in Spanish that was very trendy for the students. Obviously, I always reply the emails, but not only the emails. Many people, they ask me questions by Facebook Messenger. It's okay, it's good. I mean, I don't mind the mean to communicate, but I perceive that this great use and fantastic use of the new technologies is also an advantage I am trying to use here. Yeah, there is a good predisposition. I mean, everywhere in the world nowadays, but here in the Philippines, I would say even more.